I'm sorry if my sound's like a little bit low. I'm gonna try to fix that in the meanwhile. So when you guys are listening to Overwatch and Minecraft, like lots of games that I'm gonna be putting out about at 3:50 Central Time, probably maybe. I don't know. Probably at that time that I will get the sound fixed up to like it being high but not super high. And I hope you guys have a great day and are excited for my videos that I'm gonna be posting. Here's my friend Austin. Oh geez, my hand.
Just saying, I'm gonna be playing Overwatch sometime
With me. And make sure to subscribe and leave a like, please. And